start pushing a little bit faster. I know I'm taking a while. Let's jump into email marketing. I'll be honest. So this one, email marketing and billboards are two marketing forms that I've never made money from because I've never done it enough. So with email marketing, what I use it for is actually finding buyers and just staying in contact with my buyers. As far as sellers, it do work. And the reason why I know is because I was at a meeting with competition where the husband, I knocked on the door, I talked to the husband. Well, the wife worked from home and she's always on her computer. So I talked to the husband. I thought I was the only person involved. Next thing you know, the wife had multiple people coming in after us. And I'm sitting there with my competition, so I know it works. Email marketing is just like any other form of marketing. It takes consistency to actually get it going, right? And then in your subject line, you really have to have a catchy subject line to get them to open up your email marketing. You can use people like Constant Contact to get response. Great companies. If you got the email, Real Estate IQ and REI Rail gives you emails. Not REI Rail. REI Skip. I'm sorry. REI Skip. When you skip trace, they'll give you actual emails that you could email to and actually start the marketing campaign, which is pretty inexpensive. Typically, they let you think for like 10,000 contacts, just emails. It costs like $30 a month. So it's very inexpensive. It allows you to go at a lot of pace, and just all you want to do is put in your emails is just a success story. That's all you want to do. I actually had a young lady that was investing in real estate, and she was doing email marketing, and she was tracking her KPIs. She was tracking the numbers that she needed to know to see if it was working. And with that being said, she ended up getting deals from it. But the more she texts, the better responses she got. So just like mail, you send out 2 pieces of mail, you're probably not going to make money from it. You send out 6 pieces of mail. Now all of a sudden they see that brand, they see that letter, they're constantly reminded. Now when they're ready, they know exactly who to go to that they can trust to get it done. Right? So that's one big thing you got right there. Then you got, how many do I send? I would definitely say send in bulk as much as possible. Don't try to do just a couple of hundred because you got to hit these people constantly over and over and over. So I would say send in bulk. Consistency, the more hits, the more returns. I just talked about that. The more hits, the more returns. Scalable, highly scalable, because literally you just put in a template and you're creating a template. Once you got it all created, you can just wash and repeat. Right? Use it, wash and repeat, and just keep on going. Open rate 32%, so it's very. So with that being said, what that's telling me, open rate, you got to hit them more than once. That's ultimately what it's saying. I got to keep hitting these people with this form of marketing. So that's what we got with that one. Let's go into the digital side of marketing.